Let's study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry Tips and Tricks.
The energy associated with the first orbit in the hydrogen atom is minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 joule per atom. What is the energy associated with the fifth orbit for hydrogen atom? For doing this question, you must by heart the equation for the energy of electron in the nth orbit. What is that? It is E1 by n square. What is E1? E1 means it is the energy of electron in the first shell. It is given in the question, but better by heart. Normally students are supposed to learn equation like minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 by n square. Energy of electron in the nth orbit is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 by n square. Now you know the n value, right? What is the n value here? Fifth orbit. Substitute minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 by 5 square. What is that? 25. Substituting, what you will get? Dividing minus 2.18 by 25, you will be getting like minus 0.0872. Power is already there, right? 10 raised to minus 18. Now if you want, you can make it in standard form. So minus 8.72 into 10 raised to minus 20 joule per atom. Clear? Hope you understand. Next sub question is calculate the radius of Bohr fifth orbit for hydrogen atom. You know direct equation is there. What is that? Radius of the nth orbit is equal to 0.529, right, n square Armstrong. Correct? Now what is n here? Fifth orbit. Finish, right? 0.529 into 5 square means 25. Armstrong means what? 10 raised to minus 10. On multiplying these two, what you will get? You will be getting like 13.225 into 10 raised to minus 10. Okay. So you can say answer like what? You can say answer like 13.225 Armstrong, or you can write in standard form. What is standard form? Decimal point after first non-zero number. 1.3225 into 10 raised to minus 9. So what is that? 1.3225 10 raised to minus 9 means what? 10 raised to minus 9 meter is nanometer. Clear, right? Nanometer. Okay, I forgot to say Armstrong is 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Okay, meter. Okay, that's it. So you can either say 13.225 Armstrong or you can say 1.3225 nanometer. Both are correct.